good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this vlog. So if you're watching this vlog, you probably won the artwork. So I want to use this opportunity to congratulate you for winning my first production, not like my second production. Okay, this is from me to you. Congratulations. I'm about to start this one now. I'm about to start this very first one now. So the idea is just to gift. I just wanted to gift out this art piece of work to the people who will win that. I don't know any. I don't know people that will win it. Hopefully my friends get to win it, but if we are just meeting for the first time and you won it, I'm still happy for you regardless. Congratulations. Okay, yeah, so let's get right into the creativity.
much for being.
Where's your phone?
Because I'm not late. Thank you so much for coming. I have a for you to package it. Thank you. This is a lot for 5 persons.
Hi. I got a package from YouTube while I was at the event yesterday. I got a package. I think I showed you guys the clip when I got home. I was too tired, I couldn't unbox it. So here we are. I got these 2 packages from YouTube, so I'm just going to unbox it right now. Okay. So this is hi Joantheo, or this is my name. Congratulations on successfully completing YouTube charms and being selected as a spotlight creator. Thank you for your outstanding commitment to supporting community initiative. Please enjoy the well-earned reward in appreciation of your exceptional effort. We look forward to continue to build this community with you and seeing you in our next initiative. Thank you so much for this. So this is what I got. Observe it, okay? So that's it. That's my name, Joantheo. So I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is, but it has a type C and an iPhone cord. Is this like a flash drive? I'm so clueless. I have no idea what this is. A waist pouch. Oh wow. YouTube. That's YouTube. This is a waist pouch, and in it we have this like YouTube, a brooch. I think that's what it's called, brooch. So yeah. Okay, there's nothing inside. It has different compartments, this and this. That's what is inside, and I am really grateful. I think I like this, but I do not know what it is, so I'm just going to put that aside. Yeah, this looks so big. Oh my god. Now I love this carton. You know, if you have noticed, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my color is brown. I love brown. Okay, so this is going to be so useful. I mean, this carton is going to be so useful. Look at that. So I have this in it. I love this one. And I almost bought this some time ago. It has my name in it also. Hi Joanne. This is a token of appreciation for being an important part of the YouTube Women Mentorship Program 2024. We hope the experience was valuable. It was, and the lesson learned will benefit your channel. Definitely feel free to create a show to showcasing your gift. We'd love to see how you're using it. Thank you for your patience and enjoy your gift. Best regards, Moso, YouTube Community Partner Manager. Thank you so much, Moso. And yeah, this. Now, would you look at that? This is YouTube. I'm going to put my name here, Joantheo. Oh my god, this is so durable. This is so nice. Looks so nice. I've always wanted to have a tote bag. I don't know what you guys call it, but yeah, this is so going to be useful when I'm going out. Thank you so much. I love it. So thoughtful. And this is the last thing inside. Oh, okay. Nice. This is so going to be useful. Because I'm traveling soon, I put my skincare in here or makeup or whatever. This is so nice. So you can also hang it in your toilet, bathroom or whatever. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. I got from YouTube. These are all the packages in here. Thank you so much, YouTube. I really do appreciate this. I am so honored and I'm glad to be in the community. Yeah, thank you so much. I can't wait to start using them, especially the bag. I am so excited about this bag. It's so thoughtful. I need to figure out what this is and how, you know, I can use this. But anyway, thank you so much if you've watched this vlog to this extent. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.